How to send location on WhatsApp. Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how you can send location on WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android device. So then the interface is going to remain the same either for your iPhone or Android. So first of all, you need to update your application. After that, log in into your WhatsApp application. Once you're logged into your WhatsApp application, what you'll need to do is you need to first of all select the contact to whom you actually want to send your location. So for example, I'm just gonna go ahead and send it to this particular contact. So what you need to do is just tap on the paperclip icon located right at the bottom of the text box, and after that you can see this kind of tools. Here you can see the location, so you need to send your location. So you can either be at your current location or maybe it could be your live location, whatever, if you want to share it. So just tap on the icon and then just share the location, what you actually want to send. So as you can see that the location has been shared. So in this way you can send location on WhatsApp. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.